ये भाई कैमरा ऊपर मत लेना थोड़ा स्टिल माइक मध्ये लाईन मध्ये अरे बैठो रे स्टिल ये भाई मोबाइल ये मोबाइल मैंने मोबाइल डाला ऑडियो भी ना देखते हैं अरे आ रहा ही नहीं ऑडियो अरे बोलेगा तब आएगा ना
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nikita Patodia and I am the director at the HEAL Foundation. I'm very pleased to welcome you all on behalf of my entire team. Today we have gathered here to talk about a very important issue. It's an issue that plagues our homes and communities but does not get enough attention. Child sexual abuse is the issue that we committed to fight against in 2008. And as this gathering progresses, we will discuss the issue more in depth and HEAL's work against child sexual abuse and eradicating child sexual abuse from India. In 2008, Project HEAL began under the foundation. The foundation was started by Rahul Bose in 2006. HEAL stands for Help Eradicate Abuse Through Learning. And we fight child sexual abuse through a three-pronged approach of prevention, response, and advocacy. Child sexual abuse is an issue that violates the very basic rights of children, that is of security and protection, and often affects various aspects of their development. Today, as we mark the journey of HEAL, of running for 8 years as a project and working against child sexual abuse, it is very special for us to have our founder, Rahul, and Vidya. I don't think Rahul needs an introduction, neither does Vidya, but Rahul started the foundation, so he's the founder and trustee. Vidya, it's very, very gracious of her to agree to do this with us today. I do want to give a small introduction, although she doesn't need one in this room. Vidya is a Padma Shri awardee, and she is a national award-winning artist. Apart from portraying very strong protagonist characters, she's also been an active participant and supporter of several humanitarian causes. She's been the face of several public health and women's empowerment campaigns. And specific to CSA, which is child sexual abuse, her portrayal in Kahani 2 is not easy to forget. So I welcome all of you and I welcome our guests. And I hand over the mic to Rahul for his opening remarks.
Thanks, Nikita. पहले तो मैं आप सबको thank you कहना चाहूँगा, because if it's not Bollywood, if it's not cricket, it's difficult, right, for press to come. But the fact that all of you have come, it obviously shows that आप लोग तो विद्या को किसी और फंक्शन में तो मिल लेंगे, फोटोग्राफ्स ले लेंगे, लेकिन आज आप आए हैं, I think hopefully, क्योंकि जिस बात के बारे में हम बातचीत करने वाले हैं, it's something that Vidya is very closely associated with through the film, and I've been having a chat with her, and of course we've been associated. So first, really, thank you to the press. इस शहर में जो support मिलता है press से, वो मैं दावे से कह सकता हूँ कि किसी और शहर में नहीं मिलता है. So thank you. ये भी है कि अरे यार ये लोग बातचीत करते हैं इसके बारे में क्या करेंगे, लेकिन अब ये 11वां साल है मेरे फाउंडेशन का. विद्या, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बिकॉज यू नो इट्स व्हाट कैन आई से, कॉज बहुत बड़ा हो नेशनल लेवल पे हो, बहुत सा एक बड़े मंच पे कुछ हो, then I understand how people like you will come. But I know you and I know that you feel so deeply for the cause. So from my heart, thanks for being so simple and thanks for being so concerned. मैं चाहता हूँ आपके सहमत हो तो जस्ट विद्या एंड आई विल टॉक टू ईच अदर अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम, बट मैं पहले आपको हील के बारे में क्या बताऊंगा जो निकिता ने नहीं बताया। असलियत में हम चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ की जो जंग है हम 10 साल से लड़ रहे हैं। मेरा पहला फाउंडेशन द फाउंडेशन के छप्पर के नीचे, वहाँ पे एक इनिशिएटिव है बच्चों को तालीम देना जो बहुत अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड एरिया से आते हैं। काफ़ी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ है अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप में, काफ़ी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ है कश्मीर में, काफ़ी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ है सभी जगह पे, लेकिन हम कश्मीर, मणिपुर और अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप में कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं। उन बच्चों को तालीम देते हैं 16 साल के लिए, 10 साल की उम्र से 26 साल तक, टिल दे फुली क्वालिफाइड। ये तो एक हिस्सा है फाउंडेशन का। दूसरा हिस्सा हुआ करता था जो आप आज बैठे हुए हैं चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ के मुद्दे पे। उस पे हमने वर्कशॉप्स 300 से ज़्यादा 600 वर्कशॉप्स किए हैं इस देश में एडल्ट्स के साथ, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, कॉलोनीज, हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज़, क्लब्स, एडल्ट्स को बोलने के लिए, सिखाने के लिए कि ये चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ है और ये चिन्ह है, ये साइंस है कि बच्चे के साथ कुछ बुरा व्यवहार हो रहा है। और अगर हो रहा है तो आप पहले ये मत कहिएगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ इस कमरे में बहुत से हैं जिनको ये सुनना पड़ा, कोई बात नहीं ऐसा होता है, डैडी को मत बताना, ये मैं जानता हूँ। तो ये रिस्पॉन्स आपका नहीं होना चाहिए, आपका रिस्पॉन्स होना चाहिए बात करो, बताओ, और हम दोनों इसको साथ में सुधारेंगे। जब आप आंकड़े देखोगे, जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा। मैं एक मिसाल के तौर पे, किसी को पता है आज तक, पिछले साल तक आंकड़े क्या है, हाउ मेनी NGOs आर वर्किंग ऑन एजुकेशन इन इंडिया? गेस करो। 4 लाख NGOs हैं शिक्षा पे काम कर रहे हैं। ये जो कॉपिंग होता है ना, पहले से आपने कॉपी किया है आंसर रट के। चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज में कितने NGOs हैं? 19, 20, चलो 21। और जब आप आंकड़े देखोगे यू विल रियलाइज हमें करना ही था, हील को एक पूरा NGO बनाना ही था, otherwise the work is not going to be enough. So that's it, that's all I wanted to say. I'm going to have a chat with Vidya, if I don't die before that, of lung cancer. And we'll excuse yourself. Yeah. We'll take your chair with you. Thanks. Before we chat, you wanted to say something about the subject just as an opener, right? So please.
No, first of all, that good afternoon, everyone. जैसे राहुल ने कहा कि बड़ी खुशी होती है जब इस तरह के एक मुहिम से रिलेटेड इवेंट के लिए आप सब मौजूद होते हैं। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। पर राहुल, मोर पावर टू यू, टू द फाउंडेशन एंड टू हील, बिकॉज मैं राहुल को 8-9 शायद 10 साल से जानती हूँ, और तब से मैं इनसे सुनती आ रही हूँ कि किस तरह का काम ये कर रहे हैं थ्रू the foundation and heal. And I think child sexual abuse is something that we don't want to even hear of, forget, know of. So when I did Kahani too, I got a lot of reading material. कुछ पढ़ के रात भर नींद नहीं आती थी मुझे, because it was so disturbing. Because what is most disturbing about child sexual abuse for me is the fact that it happens within the family most often, which, you feel that family ke andar...
Family is a safe place.
Safest place for a child. And then when it happens, the perpetrator is you know, your grand uncle or your grandfather or your uncle or anyone. I read a case about a grandmother sexually abusing her grandson. So, you know, it's horrific. So the more and more I read, the more and more I felt like, oh my God, this is not something that happens to, you know, or maybe I still felt कि अच्छा दूसरों के साथ होता होगा, कहीं दूर कहीं ये होता होगा. फिर फिल्म रिलीज हुई. जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो इतने सारे लोग, people I've known for a really long time, I had so many instances of people coming up to me and saying, you know, I really liked Kahani too because it spoke to me. I felt like Minnie. And it was shocking because on the face of it, this person is leading an absolutely trauma-free life. But, you know, they obviously started opening up to me about what had happened with them and the way it has impacted their life, their relationships, their confidence, just the way they've wanted to disappear sometimes, to be invisible to the world. And I was shocked because I used to feel like it happened somewhere, you know, कहीं दूर, हमसे तो बहुत दूर, हमारी दुनिया में तो ये सब नहीं होता, हमारे बच्चों के साथ ये सब नहीं होता. But the more and more people came up to me, you know, even on social media and personally, people wrote emails. I was beyond shocked. And I realized that if I ever got an opportunity, therefore, the film itself was a great opportunity to address this because, you know, film gets seen by so many people. But if I got an opportunity to do something about this, I would. You know, if my presence at this place is going to even make one person, you know.
No, you have also donated to us. We know that. I haven't told anybody, but Vidya has also donated to us.
Yeah, but, you know, that's the least one can do, I feel. So I'm happy to be here, to be doing my little bit to throw light on this cause so that some child feels safer. I would want every child in the world to feel safer. And at least one adult who's gone through this to feel like it was not their fault. I think that for me is the most important thing when you talk about child sexual abuse.
ये ऐसा क्यों होता है हमारे समाज में? हमारे समाज में मतलब ये बेल्जियम में होता है, नॉर्वे में हुआ है, जापान में बहुत बड़ा एक क्राइसिस हुआ था कि चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ के साथ ये एक ही ऐसा एक अत्याचार है जहाँ पे द पर्सन हु इज अब्यूज्ड फील्स दैट मैंने कुछ किया होगा, गलती मेरी है, शर्म से वो मर जाता है, मर जाती है. क्यों? हमारे जो वर्कशॉप्स हैं, हम वर्कशॉप्स जिसके बारे में मैंने जिक्र किया था, उन वर्कशॉप्स में हम क्या कहते हैं कि द शेम इज़ नॉट योर्स, द शेम इज़ द परपेट्रेटर्स. लेकिन अफसोस की बात यह है कि फैमिली में बाकी सब लोग कहते हैं कि कुछ मत कहो. जब हम काम करते हैं, बहुत से एडल्ट्स हमारे पास आते हैं जैसे वो बहुत कंसर्न्ड है, लेकिन असलियत में उन्हीं ने वैसे बिहेव किया था कि किसी को मत कहो. तो ये क्यों? बिकॉज उनको लगेगा कि अगर किसी को पता चलता है कि हमारे बच्चों के साथ हमारे परिवार वालों ने ये किया है, द होल फैमिलीज नेम विल बी ड्रैग थ्रू मड. एंड द क्वेश्चन हियर इज यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक अ डिफरेंस विदाउट ड्रैगिंग द फैमिलीज नेम थ्रू मड. ठीक है, हम नहीं बताएंगे, लेकिन सुधारो. जो करना है वो तो करना ही है आपको. आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे, हमारे साथ 70 से ज़्यादा चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ सर्वाइवर्स हैं जिनको हम काउंसल करते हैं. 10 से ज़्यादा हमने चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ काउंसलर्स ट्रेन किए हैं 10 साल में. अभी तक काफ़ी केसेस 10 साल से चल रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये जो डैमेज होता है वो एक दिन में सुधर नहीं जाता है, 2 दिन में निकल नहीं जाता है, सालों लगते हैं. It affects your mental health, your physical health, how you deal with children. But Vidya, आप लोगों ने सब पढ़ा होगा, ये गवर्नमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक है. 53% of children in 2007 that they interviewed, 53% of children were sexually abused. अगर आप मानो कि 130 करोड़ में से 40 करोड़ बच्चे हैं, आंकड़े थोड़े कम हैं लेकिन मैं कंजर्वेटिव फिगर लेता हूं, इसका मतलब है 20 करोड़ से ज़्यादा बच्चे सेक्सुअली अब्यूज्ड हैं इस कंट्री में, जस्ट बाय द स्टैटिस्टिक्स. क्या unreported होता है हम जानते हैं. Just by the statistics, it's 200 million children. That is an epidemic. That is 10 Australias. That is 4 United Kingdoms. 200 million children. और ये रोज होता है. So this is not something, it's a scandal and oh ये करना है, सनसनी खबर. लेकिन ये reality है. जो लिखा है 2 lines में, according to Government of India statistic, ये. That's crazy. चलो 53 भूल जाओ. 23%? That's 100 million children. What are we talking about here? और उसमें 19, 20, 21 NGOs. इस NGO के लिए विद्या फंडिंग बहुत मुश्किल है. हम जानते थे. आप अगर मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करें तो लोग पैसे दे देंगे. लेकिन आप कहेंगे कि दिस विल प्रिवेंट the uncle from raping the niece. Why have we reached here? Why can't we just, जो सबसे ज़्यादा evil है, that's what we have to confront. So my question was, did you first of all, when you, kahani no kahani, you're an intelligent, sensitive, compassionate person. Were you aware of the scale? And let me tell you, Rais, Gharib. South Bombay, छोटा सा शहर या C1, C2 टाउन. आंकड़े वही हैं. The actual statistics are the same. Boys, girls, almost the same. So with this, did you ever know that it spanned social barriers, it spanned income barriers, it spanned urbanization, it was everywhere?
You know, I think I was, of course, aware because I'm a student of sociology. I had read enough. But like I said, you know, it's such a difficult truth to stomach that you always feel it happens to people in some other world. Because if you're saying 53%, it's happening all around us, you know. But I never wanted to actually accept that fact. I never wanted to, if there was something about child sexual abuse, I invariably wouldn't read it. Because it's so, I actually, I've known of friends who've been through this, Rahul, and I know how it scarred their lives. You know, but I remember, and I feel very ashamed to say this, but I will admit that I remember a few of us having this conversation about this friend of mine. And one of them turned around and said, maybe she's making it up, yeah. Maybe she needs attention. And you know, I won't deny that we did consider it because you don't want to accept that this could be the truth, that this could be happening within someone's family, within a family you know, to someone who's your friend. So, of course, only briefly, but I won't deny that I almost wanted to believe that to be true, more than the fact that she might be, you know, going through abuse on a regular basis. So, yes, I was aware of the numbers, but I think maybe I just grew up by the time I did Kahani too. So, you know, I realized that this is really something that we can't shy away from. You know, and then my cousins had kids, my friends had kids, and suddenly you're seeing, you feel more and more protective of the kids around you. You know, and you suddenly feel like these thoughts begin to cross your mind. You know, someone's, maybe a help at home is holding a child's hand and taking the child, I don't know, to the bathroom, and you suddenly feel like, no, I don't want the child to go with the help, I'll go myself. But what you should realize is that it's not just the help who could be doing this, it could be anyone. You know, now I've reached a stage, I think, where I'm not really trusting of anyone when it comes to children. It's very unfortunate, but you feel like that. The more and more you read, the more and more you hear.
You know, we don't want the answer here, but I guarantee you, in this room, if anybody has been touched sexually, fondled, bus, train, school, boarding school, office, home, it will be buried so deep or it will be like, छोड़ो यार होता है. Two answers. So deep that you don't want to talk about it. Or, it's okay, I'm fine. These are the only two answers you'll get. But there is a third answer. Why the hell should it happen to me? I'm a child. I was a child, yeah. So that's basically the... मुझे पता है कि एक सवाल होगा कि आप लोग क्या करने वाले इसके बारे में. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, I'll answer that before you ask the question. 3 things. हमारे adult work, and I invite the press. Please, आपके पास हमारे contacts हैं. Open invitation. 600 से ज़्यादा हमने workshops किए हैं adults के लिए. कि चिन्ह क्या है? What is child sexual? मैं मिसाल के तौर पे बहुत से schools हैं, posh schools बम्बई में हैं. तो मैंने टीम को कहा 10 साल पहले, 9 साल पहले कि अगर इसको क्रैक करना है तो आप सबसे पॉश स्कूल्स को क्रैक कीजिए. वो क्रैक हो जाता है ना तो बाकी सब क्रैक हो जाएगा. तो पहले सुचीज हियर, शो कम सुची वाज द हेड ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव. तो सुची ने कोशिश की 1 साल के लिए. सारे स्कूल्स ने कहा क्या हमारे स्कूल में? गेट आउट, हो ही नहीं सकता, गेट आउट. आज दुख की बात है या सुख की बात है, सारे स्कूल्स ने, सारे जिन्होंने ना कहा, स्टैंडर्ड 8 से स्टैंडर्ड 12, किसी स्कूल्स में स्टैंडर्ड 4 से स्टैंडर्ड 12, सारे बच्चों के लिए हमने बच्चों का वर्कशॉप किया जो बहुत सेंसिटिव, बहुत केयरिंग, बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुल वर्कशॉप है. और फिर बच्चों के पेरेंट्स के साथ, टीचर्स के साथ अलग से एक और वर्कशॉप. सो 16 वर्कशॉप्स वी विल डू इन वन स्कूल. So now gradually people are saying that it's possible. So we will continue workshops for children. We will continue workshops for adults, parents, teachers, colonies, neighborhood, housing societies. We will continue to counsel survivors. ताज्जुब की बात है कि आजकल काउंसलर्स चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज काउंसलर्स नहीं बनना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उसमें पैसा नहीं है. Doctor, I have a mental problem. Sure, I'll charge you lots of money, lots of medicines. 10,000 rupees a session. Check. But child sexual abuse, nobody wants to enter in. There's no money. So we have trained for free and they counsel for free. We should thank all our panel of... How many do we have now, Nikita? 18. So I said 10, 18 we have trained counselors in child sexual abuse. So we will continue to work with our 70 survivors. Hopefully we can make that 70,000 survivors in the future. And most important, what I want to do, if I can raise the money, is obviously not stay in Bombay. There's so much to do that our whole life will go, but we can slowly move. We can move out into the districts, start with Maharashtra, and then we can see. That's the plan. Should we take some questions?
Yeah, absolutely.
Abhilasha is here. Abhilasha? Is she here?
देखिए मैं मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स मुझे पता था, जैसे मैंने कहा कि हम 8-9 साल पहले दोस्त बने, तब से राहुल मुझे बताते आ रहे हैं कि किस तरह का काम होता है. फाउंडेशन जो इन्होंने कहा कि इन्होंने शुरू किया टू एडुकेट द अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड चिल्ड्रन in the Andaman Nicobar and islands and Manipur and Kashmir, and then more importantly heal. जैसे मैंने कहा सोशियोलॉजी की स्टूडेंट रही हूँ, पेपरों में पढ़ा है, हालांकि ये मैं कभी मुझे पढ़ने में अच्छा ही नहीं लगता था, कभी पढ़ा भी, बहुत केसेस हमें सुनने में आए हैं पेपरों में या फिर न्यूज़ में, या ऐसे किसी ने किसी के बारे में बताया जिसे आप जानते हो, I would never like to listen to any of this. So when Rahul spoke to me about this and he said, you know, this is so that we build awareness, so that we are also able to raise funds for HEAL, because जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि HEAL के लिए बहुत कम लोग monetary support देते हैं, तो मैंने कहा कि मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी अगर मैं आके किसी तरह से इससे जुड़ सकी, मैं अपना काम करके चली जाऊंगी. अगर that's it.
वहाँ पे नो
नहीं पता है, मुझे भी लगता था कि गांव में होता ये, शहरों में नहीं होता, गरीब घरों में होता होगा, यू नो मिडिल क्लास घरों में नहीं होता. ये सब बकवास है. यू नो ये कहना कि किसी यू नो इकोनॉमिक स्ट्राटा में होता है या किसी पर्टिकुलर बैकग्राउंड से अगर लोग आते हैं तो उनके घरों में होता है, ये सब मिथ्स हैं चाइल्ड
देखिए वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में, जैसे मैंने बेल्जियम में बहुत बड़ा क्राइसिस था कुछ 15 साल पहले, बहुत बड़ा क्राइसिस वाज देयर इन दिस वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी. वहाँ पे तो सबको शिक्षा मिलती है, बहुत कल्चर्ड सोसाइटीज़ हैं. व्हाई डज इट हैपन देयर? यू नो मैंने एक सर्वाइवर से पूछा, सो शी सेड बिकॉज इट कैन हैपन. जब मैं जानता हूँ कि मैं कर सकता हूँ और कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, करूँगा या कर सकती हूँ. आई एम नॉट बीइंग जेंडर स्पेसिफिक. बाय द वे, वी हैव अ कैंपेन दैट आई वुड लव ऑल ऑफ यू, इट्स to go viral. It's a digital campaign that we have created at HEAL, which we are going to start and break today. Just 4 very, very simple ads हमने बनाए हैं. And these 4 ads को हमने बुनियादी तौर से, जो सबसे पहला जो स्टेप है किसी को पढ़ने के लिए कि ये हमने उस मुद्दे के साथ हमने स्टार्ट किया इस कैंपेन को. इस कैंपेन को हम बढ़ाएंगे और भी इंफॉर्मेशन दिलवाएंगे, और जैसे जैसे हम करते जाएंगे तो इट विल बी मोर इनडायरेक्ट, मोर सटल. बट द फर्स्ट कैंपेन, टू ब्रेक द कैंपेन, वी फेल्ट वी नीडेड पीपल टू वेक अप अ लिटिल बिट. सो कैन वी शो द कैंपेन? It's just a press campaign.
Should we get up?
No, we don't have to. It's on the screen? Oh, great. You haven't seen it, right?
No.
Oh, okay. So
We'll go ahead.
we'll
We'll come and stand there. No issues. We'll watch it from here.
we can watch it from here.
Yeah.
Shall I get your chair here?
No. Please.
Okay. So 53% of Indian children die before the age of 18. Child sexual abuse kills childhoods. We prevent, counsel and protect at HEAL. And नीचे लिखा है National Study on Child Abuse 2007 by Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next one. 53% of Indian children are killed before they die. Child sexual abuse kills childhoods. The next. This is my favorite. 53% of Indian children grow up in one night. Child sexual abuse kills childhoods. And this is 50% of Indian children die every day. So ये जो आंकड़ा है, 53, this is the first thing we want to hit. And this will go into other languages. But this is the campaign that's going to break. This is a GIF, but it'll also be in a PDF form. So this will, I mean, बहुत से celebrities कल से, मतलब आज रात से इनको इस पूरे campaign को tweet करने वाले हैं. They're going to put it up on their social media handles. So we have at least, I think we have 10 names. Nikita, you have the names? We can certainly talk. Vidya, of course. Shabana, Kalki, Konkona, Anil Kumble. और क से कोई नाम है? Karan Johar. Yeah. Dr. Shashi Tharoor. He's doing. Tanuj Garg. Yeah, he's doing that. And Atul Kasbekar. One more K. So yeah, so we already have 10, 12 people who, nobody said no. I asked people and said absolutely done. So this campaign will break this evening.
Wow.
Good. You want to come back? Okay, so Nikita is going to just make a small presentation on HEAL and the thing, and then we can.
Okay, so thanks first of all, Rahul and Vidya. I think the conversation that just happened is a brilliant backdrop to set for the presentation that I'm going to make. And I'm going to make a small presentation where I will talk about the issue of child sexual abuse. I'll quote some statistics and I'll draw some, last night I was preparing for it and I was looking at what is the extent of the issue in India. What are we doing in prevention? What are we doing in response? So I have some comparative figures as well that I'm excited to bring out. But I will start with this. Next, please. India has world's largest number of sexually abused children. And I want this to sink in. This entire campaign today is about the fact that we have the world's largest population of children at the moment. Next, please. India has about 430 million children who make up about 42% of our population. And globally, 1 in 5 children is Indian. And every one of us has heard of the demographic dividend and the tide of economic growth that our country is riding at the moment. But I also want you all to consider that we have the largest number of children in the world. We have one of the largest growing economy in the world. And we also have the most amount of children who grow up feeling unsafe and constantly are under a threat of abuse. Next, please. There has been one study so far that has been conducted to map what is the extent of child sexual abuse in India at a pan-India level. And this study happened in 2007. It was initiated by the Ministry for Women and Child Development. According to that study, 1 in 2 Indian children experience 1 or more forms of sexual abuse before they turn 18. And this includes, all the different forms of abuse. It includes physical abuse, it includes verbal, visual, it includes contact, non-contact forms of abuse. And we have a tendency to think that as long as there is no physical contact and the child hasn't been sexually touched in a physical contact manner, it's not as grave. But as we go ahead and we will see in the impacts, any kind of child sexual abuse, essentially in the backdrop that Vidya and Rahul have now set, is coming from people who children and their families trust and know. And it's happening in the sites, which is your homes, in your communities, in your schools, which are the sites where children expect to grow and thrive. In the backdrop of that, any form of sexual abuse has the potential of leaving lifelong impacts. Go back. Some other statistics from the study were also that 1 in 5 Indian children experience severe forms of sexual abuse. And here, severe forms include penetrative rape or touching of children's private body parts. So just imagine if you can count 5 children that you know, statistically speaking, that is the kind of risk that we are talking about.
1 out of them.
Also, in terms of the gender element, according to the study, and this is not the reports in the FIRs in the police stations, this was a confidential, this was a study with children where their response was recorded in a confidential manner. And according to that self-reported or self-confessed participation, there were slightly more number of boys who experience child sexual abuse than there were girls. And this really breaks a lot of myths and stereotypes in our minds about, keeping only our girls safe or protected or watched over. And if you're sending like a 12-year-old girl to go to the market and get vegetables, you'll send like a 8-year-old boy because he's supposed to protect her. But like these are some of the myths that also go with the ideas around child sexual abuse. Over 50% of abusers, people who abuse children sexually, were were the people whose children and their families knew. Next, please. Next. So, like Rahul was saying earlier, you know, this, I did some research on this, and I want to quote that in the amount of children in India that are getting sexually abused is the amount of entire population of Australia 10 times, of United Kingdom's 4 times, and 1 full Brazil. And let's look at how much they spend on their healthcare and infrastructure. So Australia spends 10% of its GDP on healthcare and infrastructure. UK in the last year, even though undergoing austerity and public cuts, they spent 30% of their total public spending on healthcare. And Brazil, which is also a developing country like us, 9% of their GDP is spent on healthcare. And when we look at India, in the 2017 union budget, we got 2.27% of the total union budget was allocated towards health. And this, just to put things, so again, within that also, within the health sector, if we further look down in the mental health care, that was 0.06% of the entire healthcare budget. So that's the kind of disparity that, you know, helps us understand why, even though we have such high rates of child sexual abuse, we hear so little about it. And I also want to highlight that this spending is, India's spending on mental health care is lesser than countries like Bangladesh. So that's just something I wanted to highlight. Next, please. So if so much sexual abuse is happening, then who are the people who are you know, perpetrating this abuse? So there are quite a few studies. The National Study of by Women and Child Development is one of them. There are a few other studies, and all of the studies overarchingly bring out the fact that it is the people who are known and trusted, many a times immediate family, older brothers, fathers, stepfathers, sometimes, you know, a boyfriend of an older sibling, or sometimes the mother. And if I look at the NCRB data from 2015, out of all the cases that were reported under POCSO, POCSO is the law that under which all the child sexual abuse cases are reported. It stands for Prevention of Sexual Offenses Against Children. According to that, if they looked at all the cases that were registered under POCSO in 2015, and they found out that 95 that we as a society, as a country face. So we do get this a lot, like Rahul also mentioned earlier, that, oh, it's easy to get behind sanitation, or it's easy to get behind water. But many a times it's not that easy for people, you know, talk about the kind of impacts. Like the issue of child sexual abuse is a very unique, complex issue that needs to be looked at within its complexities that I have just, you know, so far explained. Sexually abused, and their, you know, their boundary of their bodily integrity, their boundary is violated, and this violation is coming from somebody they are supposed to trust, and it happens in a space where they're supposed to feel safe. What that does to their entire personality and specific elements of personality, like neurology, like the brain. Now we have age when children experience sexual abuse, even the neuron formation is altered. Again, I have some, so in America, because the research on child sexual abuse and mental health, America has pioneered some of the research. So I pulled out a very interesting statistic which sort of situates the impact of child sexual abuse. And according to some very credible researchers in America, they calculated the overall cost of child sexual abuse exceeds that of cancer and heart diseases. And they found that by eradicating child sexual alcoholism, suicide, and domestic violence by 2/3, and it dramatically affected people's workplace performance and vastly decreased their need for incarceration. Can be easily called a grave public health issue, and it impacts different aspects of a child when individual that they can become. It is that time when some experience of child sexual abuse leaves them, they're supposed to trust, how they're supposed to feel, who they are supposed to go and talk to. So the impact of child sexual abuse can really not be compared to any other, forms of violence with adults that we may already be aware of. Next, please. So while we say that we do realize now, and I think this is not a statement for anyone in this room, when we say that we do realize that the capabilities of sexual abuse before it happens is very limited. So that is one major issue that we work against, and we work towards creating more awareness. We work with parents and different adult stakeholders, and we help on what they can do when they come across either a potential sexual abuse or a real act, or a factual sexual abuse. Next, please. We also have very limited mental health services. So that includes both mental health professionals, psychologists, counselors, psychiatrists, national context of funds, education, curriculum, living in a patriarchal context where it is not largely adult stakeholders. And our first step is always to make sure that before we reach children and before we teach children how to keep and value the rights of children. And this is what we do through our prevention work. And we also enable the healing of survivors through a gentle, sensitive, and long-term companionship. Next, please. Within our mission, we do workshops in schools, communities, neighborhoods with a preventive approach for awareness building. We also then sort of expand, so it's like a snowball effect, and this is a very close relationship. We do trainings for 4 days, but we do hand-holding for a year till a trainer is capable enough and confident enough to function independently. We make quality psychotherapeutic response available to every child and adult survivor of child sexual abuse. We have, HEAL, when it started out, psychologists who have helped us. We've either directly provided therapy or sometimes we've also referred out, but we very closely monitor the qualitative aspect.
So that's it?
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thanks everyone for
Thank
being
you.
here.
Abhilasha's here. We'll just organize now we can ready to do bites and stuff like that. So you just, we'll sit here, no, better? एक बार एक रग्बी मैच खेलते हैं, स्टिल फोटोग्राफर्स वर्सेस कैमरामैन। वो मैं रग्बी मैच में ऑर्गेनाइज करता हूँ। हाँ, अभी बारिश के समय है, देखते हैं क्या होता है वहाँ पे, क्योंकि स्टिल फोटोग्राफर्स में 2-3 विमेन हैं, और हाँ, आजकल विमेन स्पोर्ट्स में आपको पता है क्या है, बच के रहना कैमरामैन, ऑल ऑफ यू। श्योर? ओके गाइस, क्वेश्चन।
और बहुत अवेयरनेस की बात करती हैं, चाहे वो है ना स्वच्छ भारत की अभियान की बात हो या टॉयलेट की बात, शौचालय की बात हो। आपको लगता है कि ये फंडिंग को लेकर या इस अवेयरनेस को लेकर सीधा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से जवाब मांगना चाहिए? बिकॉज देखिए,
मैं बिल्कुल आपसे सहमत, लेकिन ये एक बात है कि जब भी हम कुछ शुरू करते हैं तो हम सोचते हैं कि यार दिस इज द गवर्नमेंट्स प्रॉब्लम, बट द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज, अगर आप किसी भी गवर्नमेंट, दुनिया के किसी भी गवर्नमेंट से पूछो कि आप चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज के बारे में क्या कर रहे हो, वो क्या कर सकते हैं? एक, पैसा, ताकि जहाँ पे भी कॉम्पनसेशन देना है, जहाँ पे भी लीगल रिकॉर्स देना है, दे सकते हैं। 2, अपने स्कूल्स में चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज के बारे में, स्टेट स्कूल्स में, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करना। इससे किसका हाथ लेंगे हम? वो जो सारा बिरादरी है CSA में जो काम कर रहे हैं, it should be up to us to feed the right teachers कि यार चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज ये नहीं है, ये है, और ये नहीं करना है, ये करना है. तीसरी बात, लॉ एनफोर्समेंट, पुलिस स्टेशंस, हाउ टू सेंसिटाइज पुलिस स्टेशंस, ताकि अगर एक केस ऐसा आ जाए तो दबाव नहीं डाले कि उसके अंकल ने आके पुलिस से कहा कि क्या यार ये बच्चा है, क्या उसको क्या पता है, ऐसा नहीं. सो दीज थिंग्स हो रहा है किसी राज्यों में. मैं आपसे झूठ नहीं कहूँगा, हमें पता है, क्योंकि हर साल को हम एक कॉन्फ्रेंस रखते हैं. सारे जो 19 NGOs हैं सारे इकट्ठा होके गवर्नमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आते हैं, वहाँ पे बातचीत करते हैं. कई डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में अच्छा है, अफसर के बारे में, अफसर पे निर्भर है. इफ द ऑफिसर इज गुड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, यू नो द मनी इज स्पेंट, अच्छा हो जाता है. कहीं पे अफसर ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है, काम वहाँ पे अटक जाता है. द ट्रूथ इज लाइक इन इंडिया, different things in different parts of the country, but ऐसा मैंने कभी नहीं सुना है कि किसी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल या किसी गवर्नमेंट बॉडी ने कहा कि नहीं आपकी मदद नहीं चाहिए, कि नहीं आप लोग कुछ नहीं जानते, हम करेंगे. ये कभी नहीं हुआ है. बट यस, द व्हील्स ऑफ द स्टेट रन स्लोली एंड यू हैव टू पुश. कितना और करना है, ये उनके स्टेटिस्टिक्स से मुझे लगता है कि this has to be multiplied at least 100 times. काश CSA में 4 लाख NGOs हुआ करते होते, then it would have been a different thing altogether.
Vidya, what's your take on this?
No, I think Rahul's pretty much addressed it, but I feel especially in the case of child sexual abuse, हमें खुद responsibility लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये ज़्यादातर जैसे इन्होंने बताया, और हम पहले से, आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज इज perpetrated by trusted either members of the family or people who are trusted by the family. You know, therefore, I think whatever we can do within that, we have to do, so that we are all aware, we are all talking about this issue openly. So children don't feel threatened in any way within their houses. They feel comfortable enough to come and tell you that
the government cannot take away fear. कौन क्या कहेगा? Government can't do that. It has to come from society. कि क्यों नहीं बात करूँ इसके बारे में? क्या स्टिग्मा है?
हाँ, वो स्टिग्मा, वो सोच में जो बदलाव लाने की ज़रूरत है, वो आप और मैं ही कर सकते हैं. हर बात के लिए अगर हम गवर्नमेंट को, वो तो अच्छा, और NGOs बढ़ जाएंगे, अवेयरनेस बढ़ेगा, वो सब, पर what are we doing to secure our children, the lives of our children, to make sure they feel safer within their homes? I think वो हम जितना हमसे हो सकता है हम कर लेते हैं. सरकार जो करना है कर ही लेगी. राहुल जैसे लोग हैं, हील जैसे फाउंडेशंस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, वो काम कर रहे हैं, और भी लोग जुड़ेंगे, पर हम सबको इसका हिस्सा बनने की बहुत ज़रूरत है.
Vidya and Rahul, this.
Yeah.
Okay. So this topic, the severe and the seriousness of this issue that we.
If you just hold the mic here, it'll be magic.
Hello?
Just see what Arik kya.
Okay, actually I'm having 2 mics.
But you have 2 hands also.
Thank you, and the phone is also. Anyway, so now this serious issue, and we have seen Bollywood taking up issues through, and you know they have made films on that, and even Kahani too touched on this issue. But do you think that even you know the film fraternity somewhere is kind of little skeptical about taking this issue primarily and coming up with concrete answers as to what to do and how to face it and how to
sorry, you know, I get a bit हर बात के लिए हम नहीं, I'll tell you why. Because no, हम भी आप जैसे इंसान हैं, एक्टिंग हमारा पेशा है, और उस वजह से लोग हमें पहचानते हैं. तो जैसे इस बारे में जितनी मेरी समझ है, जितनी मेरी जानकारी है, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा राहुल को है, क्योंकि वो इस क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं. तो यू नो, आई कैन involve or attach or associate myself with an event like this, hoping that I'm doing my little bit, or maybe monetary contribution or whatever. When Kahani 2 came to me, I did it, you know, with an open heart and mind. But I'm saying there is, I don't think we can expect that every second film should address the cause of child sexual abuse. You know, we are here to tell stories. The beauty is, if through your story you're able to touch a chord, if you're able to throw light upon something or make someone think differently, great. But I don't think, and I'm sorry I reacted like that, but you know, मुझे लगता है कि हर बात के लिए आप हम
It's not about, yeah, I'm giving, you know, I'm asking or questioning the responsibility that the fraternity has. I'm just
No,
saying
I'm
that
saying
you
that-
think will it be more fruitful, you know, with a film that also has the answer, because there are certain times that if the child is abused or the parents, you know, they don't know how to go about it, whether to go and report to the police or to.
Yeah, no, but
there's
you know, for example, Kahani 2 was a film that told you a story about two child sexual abuse victims. You know, one was me, a grown-up adult who's lived through that and who tries to save a child who's undergoing that currently. So I think beyond that, you can't hope for, you know, if a story is written organically, if a filmmaker feels or a writer feels compelled to tell a particular story, great. But I don't think that should be the agenda. You know, and as much as I feel we're all, you know, we all have a certain responsibility, whether as actors or any walk of life you come from, to do our little bit to make it a safer world.
Okay, so now we're going to move to not the general questions, but the specific ones. Abhilasha, are you here? I keep shouting your name. Where? Good. So should we, like, you handle it now? What should we do now? Yeah, we're done with the questions. Photo op and dance. What? 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 I heard you 4 times. I am going to have 90 Rakhis on my hand. All the women, all the people in the field. No, we've not done anything. What's the connection between child sexual abuse and Raksha Bandhan? We haven't found a connection. So we're not doing anything. Photo ops? What do you want? प्रेस करना कि टीवी करना? अगला शब्द टीवी। So there we go. We're doing bites like this. Johnny, just shut the door. We get some side. They're doing some bites. All okay? Ready?
Who said this? Sorry. Shujit Sarkar, okay. No, I completely agree. I think because होता ये है कि, you know, I believe.
Is the mic working? This one?
Thank you. I believe that internationally जब बच्चों से काम करवाते हैं तो उनसे 4 घंटे काम करवाते हैं, you know, और फिर उनके स्कूल के हिसाब से या उनके नींद के टाइम के हिसाब से वो सब ध्यान में रख के उनसे काम करवाते हैं. यहाँ ना हम लोग मतलब बेपरवाह हैं थोड़े से. तो सुबह से शाम तक, रात तक बच्चा शूट कर रहा है, नाइट शूटिंग हो रही है. तो ये सब आई थिंक वी हैव टू. There might be stories that we want to tell that have children, but I think we have to take care to make sure that, you know, उनसे हम गधा मजदूरी नहीं करवा रहे हैं.
मैंने अभी एक फिल्म बनाई पूर्णा. उसमें हमने तीन डॉक्यूमेंट्स फिल्म के पहले बना के सबको दे दिए. एक, बच्चों के साथ काम करना, 4 घंटे के बाद 1 घंटे का रेस्ट.
Oh wow, lovely.
8 घंटे से ज़्यादा काम नहीं. होमवर्क के लिए आपके पास हम एक टीचर रखेंगे और आपके साथ आना जाना, अगर आपके साथ कोई नहीं है परिवार वाला या पड़ोस जो भी है, वी विल सेंड समबडी. और साथ में खाने पीने के बारे में, आप क्या खाते हैं, क्या आपका रूटीन है, बच्चों का रूटीन होता है, प्लीज़ लेट अस नो, वी विल फॉलो इट. दूसरा चार्टर था सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट का, विशाखा कमेटी गाइडलाइंस. वी आर इंडिपेंडेंट कमेटी फॉर एनी सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट ऑन द सेट. शुक्र है कि अब वो नहीं हुआ. एंड थर्ड वाज लिटरिंग, मतलब ग्रीन, इट्स अ ग्रीन सेट, नो प्लास्टिक, ओनली प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, नो ग्लासेस, नो प्लेट्स, नथिंग. सो द चाइल्ड, हर प्रोड्यूसर पे निर्भर हम कर सकते हैं कि तुम बनाओ. आई एम हैप्पी टू गिव दैट. वो जो चार्टर है हमारा, आई एम हैप्पी टू डोनेट दैट टू द फिल्म एसोसिएशंस एंड दे कैन फॉलो इट. दे वांट टू फॉलो इट, दे कैन फॉलो इट. Of course, she's a bigger star than I am. Simple.
No, I just think that you know, Rahul and Heel are doing great work. जैसे मैंने आपसे 2 बार कहा already कि इस वजह से जब उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि क्या आप आएंगी, मैंने तुरंत हामी भरी. अगर मेरे होने से एक ज़्यादा इंसान सुन के इस बारे में जागरूक होता है या होती है, ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. किससे ज़्यादा कम वो समझ नहीं सोचती. जी. Oh, of course, monsoon wedding, highway, and yeah.
Only I am.
Kahani too. They've all told stories similar, not similar stories, but stories revolving around child sexual abuse. So I think.
My question is to Raksha. I have watched your program recently. So in that we saw a little kid being abused. That was you played that character, and you know after that you started this Heal organization. So does that film have any connection to you starting on this career?
नहीं, हमने हील उसके IAM के पहले स्थापित किया था. चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ तो मैंने सुचिस्मिता के साथ 2007 में हमने सोचा था कि हम शुरू करेंगे, फिर 8 और 9 के बीच में हमने शुरू किया। तो फिल्मों के साथ मेरा कोई ताल्लुक नहीं होता है, मैं जो सोशल वर्क करता हूँ। देखिए, चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ ग्लैमरस कॉज नहीं है। दिस इज़ नॉट अ बिग ग्लैमरस कॉज ऑफ द 80s लाइक HIV. This is not a big glamorous cause of the 90s like cancer. आप लोग आए हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है, लेकिन एक्चुअली इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कोई लोग बातचीत नहीं करते हैं, इसका कॉन्वर्सेशन चलता नहीं है। ऐसा नहीं कि इन बच्चों को अब्यूज़ किया गया है, तो हम नहीं पढ़ते हैं ना। यू कांट टॉक अबाउट दिस सब्जेक्ट लाइक दैट, इट्स सो सेंसिटिव। कैंसर के बारे में आप कह सकते हो, आई एम सो एंड सो एक्टर, आई एम अ कैंसर सर्वाइवर। ऐसा कोई नहीं कहता है कि आई एम सो एंड सो, आई एम अ चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज सर्वाइवर। One day it should be that way. So my films don't have anything to do with my social work. The work I do is because I want to change the world, and the films I do is because I want to give people enjoyment. I mean, just give people a great moment. Yeah.
Okay, if Rahul allows me, can I ask something out of the box?
To her? I'm nobody to allow or disallow. It's.
तुम्हारी सुलू, हाँ।
तो विद्या क्या कहना चाहेंगे और आप कितना एंजॉय कर रही हैं? और खबरें ये भी हैं कि श्रीदेवी को भी कुछ रिबूट भी दिया जा रहा है फिल्म के अंदर।
हाँ, एक्चुअली मिस्टर इंडिया का वो गाना हवा हवाई तुम्हारी सुलू का भी हिस्सा है, जिसपे नेहा धूपिया, मलिश्का और मैंने परफॉर्म किया है। मतलब एक सिचुएशन है उसमें, सो इट्स नॉट अ any kind of take off on Hawa Hawai. It's a tribute to Sridevi and to the song. And तुम्हारी सुलू में मज़ा बड़ा आया काम करते वक्त। अब शूटिंग के बाद बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट काम होता है एडिटिंग का और वो सब, तो वो चल रहा है और मैं आराम कर रही हूँ because I have nothing to do at that time.
Okay, एक आखिरी सवाल। नेपोटिज्म को लेके बड़ी बहस चली हुई है, और कोई भी उसके कह रहा है, जैसे आपकी मैं बात करूँ, आप इंडस्ट्री के बाहर से आती हैं और ये मकाम हासिल करती हैं, दी विद्या बालन बनती हैं। आपका टेक क्या है नेपोटिज्म पे? क्या नेपोटिज्म है? क्या परिवारवाद है वो?
With due respect to everyone who's been embroiled in this controversy, मैं बोर हो चुकी हूँ उससे। कौन किस पक्ष में है, किसका क्या कहना है, मुझे उससे अगर मैं वो शब्द पढ़ूँ तो मैं पेपर मतलब मोड़ दे, नेक्स्ट पेज पन्ना मैं पलट देती हूँ, क्योंकि इससे अब क्या मतलब एक चीज़ को लेके किसी ने कुछ कहा, वो सब हो गया कुछ महीने पहले, अब फिर से कुछ बखेड़ा खड़ा हो रहा है, मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, सॉरी।
जी। See, I'll tell you, there are two answers. Both answers are in your question. Yes, we want to tie up with local bodies, but they have to be good. बच्चों के साथ कैसा व्यवहार करना, एडल्ट्स के साथ किस तरीके से वर्कशॉप्स करना, अगर सही तरीके से नहीं होता है इस मुद्दे पे, it can go wrong. Correct? So we are training a lot of people to become workshop trainers. हम 10 हैं तो आज वर्कशॉप ट्रेनर्स 100 हैं, कल को 1000 होंगे। एक तो ये है, एंड टू इज वी आर अ स्मॉल टीम बट वी डोंट वांट टू स्टे स्मॉल। अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते 10 साल में, आई वुड लाइक टू बी इन 10 cities, not just the big cities. You know, go to the B1, B2 cities and also start work there, or 100 cities. I don't want to stop here. इसलिए हमने हील को अलग सा NGO बनाया है, ताकि इसके लिए फंडिंग अलग सा हो। लोग जो पैसे देंगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अच्छा फाउंडेशन के लिए नहीं, ये जा रहा है फॉर चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज। सो वी वांट पीपल टू नो एंड टू फॉर हील टू स्टैंड ऑन इट्स ओन फीट सो इट कैन ग्रो। नहीं तो 2 कॉजेज एक छप्पर के नीचे ऐसा हो रहा था कि कहीं पे एक को निग्लेक्ट किया जा रहा था और दूसरे को, तो वी सेड नो, लेट्स जस्ट build this up. My hope is in 10 years of time, not only are we in 10 cities, but we have our own heal building where a child can come and with no questions asked, or a child and adult with an adult, with no question asked, they will get legal, social, financial help for the rest of their life. That's my hope.
He asked me to come here. I'm here. And
Through her actual voice or just through her presence? Yes, yes, yes. Vidya is going to do the next 600 workshops. Vidya Balan is going to be the trainer. लेकिन हम जानते हैं कि वो काफ़ी बिजी है, तो एक दिन में एक वर्कशॉप हमने किया है बस. अगले 2 साल के लिए we'll book her out for. No,
are you planning to do a campaign?
campaign. कैंपेन के लिए पैसे बहुत लगते हैं यार, बहुत पैसा लगता है. मैं इस वक्त अगर उतना पैसा मुझे मिलता, फर्ज करो 1 करोड़, 1-1.5 करोड़, I would use it for doing 1,000 more workshops. Yeah. Maybe after 1 or 2 years, then to gain that kind of, I can't justify using that money and using for a campaign right now. We need the money more for the work first. But yes, as a broad-based multimedia campaign for the future, I think it's definitely something we have to do. But maybe what we'll do is we'll do it all the 19. Hopefully tomorrow there'll be 100 NGOs working. We'll all get together. Each NGO can put in 50 lakhs or something like that, and then do a campaign. Yeah, it's possible.
Okay, my question is for Vidya. Vidya, like you said,
We need time for some private, some like one-on-ones or whatever. So last question, should we do here? Last question.
Vidya, like you said, कि हम इस बारे में सुनना भी नहीं चाहते कि इस तरीके की खबरें हैं. तो जब आपके पास कहानी टू के दौरान इस तरीके के किस्से आए थे, इस तरीके की स्टोरी आई थी, विद्या पर्सनली नॉट एज अ सेलिब्रिटी बट पर्सनली किस तरीके की अपनी ओपिनियन दे सकी, किस तरीके से लोगों को समझा सकी, चाइल्ड्स को समझा सकी जब इस तरीके की स्टोरी?
नहीं, जब ज़्यादातर एडल्ट्स ने बताया, लिखा सोशल मीडिया पे, या जैसे मैंने कहा कि बहुत सारे ईमेल्स आए, कुछ लोग जिन्हें मैं जानती हूँ, कुछ लोग जिनके साथ मैं काम करती हूँ, कुछ लोग जो मेरे दोस्त हैं, ऐसे कुछ करके बहुत लोगों ने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए और मैं थोड़ी सी स्तब्ध रह जाती थी कि ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक पीपल वांट टू बी हर्ड. तो अपना ओपिनियन देना या एडवाइस देना, वो मैं आई वुड सेंड देम टू द राइट पर्सन इफ दे नीड सम काइंड ऑफ काउंसलिंग. वो दैट्स नॉट माय एक्सपर्टीज. बट किसी को सुनना जब वो ऐसा कुछ कह रहे हैं, और अगर आप उन्हें ये कह पाए कि ये आपकी गलती नहीं थी, आई थिंक वही एक बहुत बहुत बड़ा स्टेप है इन द राइट डायरेक्शन.
Where are we going now?
Thank you all very much.
Or should we do a quick video? Hi everybody. Huh? So that's the camera.
Yeah.
And I'm pressing play.
And what am I going to say?
We're at the launch of HEAL, our new NGO on child sexual abuse, and Vidya's come in as being a special guest. Want to say something?
Yeah, hi everyone. More power to Rahul Bose and HEAL, who want to go about healing victims of child sexual abuse. So,
We shall be asking them for their help very soon.
yeah, please, and I hope you open your purse strings very easily and heartily, and
See you soon.
do your little things.
Yes.
Thank you. Aye.
So, what's going on?
One picture.
Sure. Move out. Sure. Move out.
Bounce. Thank you.
Thanks for coming. So touched. So touched. Come.
Should we do it here first? There's this small thing.
Whatever she, wherever she wants to do.